Hello, everybody. Quick little video on the markets today. And I was saying yesterday on the AU and AG chat room on Paul Talk to be aware of a big day. And one of the things I've said on many other videos is to always watch the message of the market. And this is a perfect example today. Because I was saying you had a significant gap higher, and it managed to make new highs up to 23.66. And from a close of 23 cents or in that ballpark area, that was about a 2% move from top to bottom in the very earlier sections of the trade. And then you had a small warning candle here. But you know what? For the most part, in a major bull market that we're at, this this candle here doesn't really say too much because I want to develop support. Okay, there we go. A move lower. Once again, not a major warning sign, but on this candle here, when it was finding resistance here, at this point, the shortest term moving averages would have been rolling over, and it kept on going down towards the downside. So when you're adjusting the message of the market and you see this big move, you have a gap higher here, which would at least make a higher low here. But from this point here, that it's a fair Fibonacci to give back on the early trade. But breaking this was a little indication that it could have big selling. I also said 8 o'clock could be very volatile, and that was the case. It's usually volatile around 8 to 9 o'clock in the morning. And since this point, what has happened is we've established three hits at the 2310 level. We have a higher low, we have a higher high, and it looks like this might be a higher low. We don't know that yet. But on a breakout of this level, or at least a hold of an uptrend line, is very bullish. And if any short-term traders are in, some will have a stop below here, and then some still have a stop in this area. You can also calculate Fibonacci from this low towards whatever high. Secondly is the hourly chart, and within the hourly chart, it's a healthy pullback. What we're seeing here from the lows here towards these lows, we've managed to see what looks to be a one-third retracement. Actually, I already did the math on it earlier. It pretty much was 38.2, but more along the lines of 43 or 44 approximately. Nonetheless, it has managed to find good support. If it comes up and goes back lower, that's a warning sign. But if it can manage to go up a little higher, say something like this, maybe pull back and then go higher, then that would continue its current trend. And when you look at the dollar, that was a big reason I was thinking something big might have happened. And it's obviously, it gapped at its lowest point, and it's kept on going higher also. So to help out within the trade, if you see a breakdown below this level here, then that might be another reason to go on a short-term trade. But as far as the long-term perspective, there isn't much going on today. This is more along the lines of a time consolidation day more than anything, which is very healthy for the market.